क्वेश्चन आपके सामने है, सॉल्व दिस इनइक्वालिटी। लॉग के अंदर लॉग फंक्शन है, एक में बेस लेस देन 1 है और एक में बेस मोर देन 1 है। कैसे करें शुरुआत? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, log of this expression to the base 0.1 is less than 0. Base of logarithm for this is 0.1, which is less than 1. So we have log of x square plus 1 upon mod x minus 1 to the base 2. This expression is greater than. We are changing the orientation of inequality because base is less than 1. 0.1 power 0. This is 1. Okay, now we have this inequality in which base of logarithm is 2. So we have x square plus 1 upon mod x minus 1 greater than 2 power 1, which is 2. We are not changing the orientation of inequality because base is more than 1. Okay, now how you solve this inequality? We have modulus of x minus 1 here. So we will be considering cases. Case 1, when x is greater than 1, at that time mod x minus 1 will be x minus 1. जब भी मॉड्यूलस आता है तो आप जानते हैं कि हम केसेस लेते हैं, ठीक है, जिससे हम मॉड्यूलस को रिमूव कर सकें. दिस इज ग्रेटर देन 2. Okay, now simply x is greater than 1, so x minus 1 is positive. So we cross multiply with x minus 1 without changing inequality. We have x square plus 1 greater than 2x minus 2, or x square minus 2x plus 3 greater than 0. So we have x minus 1 square plus 2 greater than 0, and this is always true. This is true for all x belongs to R, but we have x greater than 1. So solution from this case is x greater than 1, or x belongs to 1 to infinity. Okay. Now we consider second case when x is less than 1. So we write x square plus 1 upon 1 minus x. जब x less than 1 होगा उस टाइम पे 1 minus x positive होगा. So when we remove here modulus sign, we write 1 minus x. This is greater than 2. 1 minus x is positive, so cross multiply with 1 minus x without changing inequality orientation. We have x square plus 1 greater than 2 minus 2x, or x square plus 2x minus 1 greater than 0. Let's solve this inequality. How you solve, by the way? When I compare this expression to 0, I get x is equal to minus 2 plus minus 4 plus 4, 8 upon 2. This is equal to minus 1 plus minus root 2. So on number line, I put two values, minus 1 minus root 2 and minus 1 plus root 2. The sign will be plus minus plus, and we want this expression to be positive. So my x is from minus infinity to minus 1 minus root 2 union minus 1 plus root 2 to infinity. But x is less than 1. So what will be values of x? X belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 minus root 2. Okay, union minus 1 plus root 2 to 1, because x is less than 1. So we have this values of x as well as this values of x. So total solution will be this union 1 to infinity. आप इन दोनों का क्या लोगे? यूनियन लेंगे.